Today I got my hands on the brand new OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus 5G smartphone and the OPPO Enco 3 Pro wireless buds, and I'm super excited to share my thoughts with you. So let's start with the start of the show, the Reno10 Pro Plus 5G. This phone is all about portrait photography and it totally lives up to it. The ultra-clear portrait camera system, especially with that 64-megapixel telephoto portrait camera, allows to capture some stunning shots with a shallow depth of field. Plus, the 25cm minimum focus distance is impressive, making it perfect for capturing those close-up and personal portraits. And guess what? With the ultra-clear 6x zoom, you can get right up close to your subject without losing any image quality. Trust me, it's a game changer for portrait photography on a smartphone. Now let's talk about the rest of the camera setup. The 50-megapixel ultra-clear main camera is fantastic for everyday photography, and the 112-degree 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera gives you a whole new perspective. It's like having a mini DSLR in your pocket. Design-wise, OPPO has nailed it once again. The Reno10 Pro Plus 5G is slim, lightweight and trendy. At just 8.28 mm thick and 194 grams, it's one of the slimmest smartphones with a periscope telephoto camera out there. The 1.5K ultra-clear borderless display is vibrant, reaching 1100 nits brightness, and the Pro XDR Smart Display Control ensures you get that 8 times improvement in the dynamic range. Now the best part for me is the 100-watt SuperVOOC flash charge technology. Seriously, this thing charges the massive 4700 mAh battery, 50% in 9.5 minutes and 100% in just 27 minutes. Meanwhile, ColorOS 13 based on Android 13 is smooth and offers some smart features including IR remote control for your smart devices. Now let's move on to the OPPO Enco 3 Pro wireless earbuds. These little guys are a powerhouse when it comes to audio quality. With high-res audio, the sound is crystal clear and the composite bamboo fiber diaphragm adds some depth to the music. The adaptive active noise cancellation is a blessing, especially in noisy environments. It really drowns out the background chatter, letting you focus on your tunes. Plus, the Enco Master and Golden Sound 2.0 technologies ensure immersive and personalized listening experience. I also love that they have Bluetooth 5.3 and dual device connection. The battery life on these earbuds gives you 30 hours of playback time. Plus, the IP55 rating on dust and water resistance gives you peace of mind. Overall, both the OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus 5G and the OPPO Enco Air 3 are solid additions to the brand's lineup. You can grab the Reno10 Pro Plus 5G for Dirhams 2999 and the OPPO Enco 3 Pro for just Dirhams 349 on OPPO's regional websites and retail partner stores.